Hi everyone, I am Priyanka. I completed my MCA from Century University and now I am thrilled to share that I have been placed as a junior DevOps engineer. After completing my post-graduation, I was really excited to start my career, but I also realized that having a degree alone was not that enough, and the companies are also asking for the practical skills and also the hands-on experience with the industrial tools. So I knew that I needed the right guidance to bridge that gap. That's why I joined the Paperlive Learning. So in the People Life Learning, the mock interview sessions played a most important role in my placement journey. We went through multiple rounds of technical and HR mocks where the mentors asked us the real life scenario based questions, also the technical questions, which helped me to improve my communication skills, strengthen my technical skills, and also so by the time I attend my actual interviews, and at that time I felt I am much more prepared because I gained so much hands-on experience in the AWS tools, also the DevOps tools like the Jenkins, Docker, so uh, which helped me to crack my interviews and secure my role as a junior DevOps engineer. So lastly, I am very sincerely grateful to the entire team of the Pepper Life Learning for their guidance, support, and they helped me to take my first step towards my dream career. Thank you.